The female reproductive system is made up of different parts, which include the uterus, endometrium, the fallopian tube, and the ovaries. During the menstruation cycle, each of these parts play a specific and significant function. For example, inside each ovary, there are thousands of follicles, which are cells with an immature egg. The egg is the female reproductive cell preparing for ovulation. At the beginning of the cycle, the follicle-stimulating hormone stimulates a large number of follicles. As the follicles get stimulated, the immature egg inside begins to grow maturely and also produces estrogen. Estrogen goes into the bloodstream and then sends a signal to prepare the uterus for pregnancy. At this time, the endometrium, which is the inner part of the uterus, is covered with a thick and spongy layer. Day 7, the dominant ovum produces large amount of estrogen that travels directly to the brain and activates the pituitary gland, which is responsible for hormonal production, including the luteinizing hormone, which stimulates ovulation process. Day 14, the luteinizing hormone begins to act on the ovaries, causing the dominant egg to mature rapidly and detach from the follicle. Now, one of the fallopian tubes surrounds the follicle, causing it to open completely and expel egg. This phenomenon is called ovulation. At the end of the fallopian tube is the fimbria, a set of cells that are responsible for collecting the recently expelled eggs and transporting to the entrance of the fallopian tube. Once here, by means of muscular contraction, the ovum pushes towards the center of the uterus. Day 15, progesterone is produced inside the ovary, which is the hormone that helps the second phase of the menstruation cycle to occur. These days, the abundance of the progesterone can make you feel more active and productive, and thus you will be able to notice a white-like vaginal discharge beginning to release. At the same time, you will feel a greater desire to be with your partner at the time. Towards the end of the cycle, the production of the progesterone decreases drastically, leading to premenstrual syndrome, which can cause various symptoms such as the mood swings, inflammation, pimples, and even fluid retention. The colic pain and sensitivity in the chest, among other emotional and physical symptoms, may be experienced. Day 28, the menstrual cycle is completed. Your body is about to menstruate. On day 1, menstruation bleeding occurs through small contraction called menstrual cramps. The ovule and the thick and spongy layer that had formed in the endometrium, and so the cycle begins again. This is the typical 28 menstrual cycle. However, cycle lengths may vary from woman to woman. Menstruation